The Apple Watch Series 10 has officially launched, introducing a plethora of pioneering features that are set to transform the smartwatch landscape. Among its most notable innovations is the sleep apnea detection feature, cutting-edge technology that tracks users' sleep patterns and identifies potential indicators of this severe sleep disorder. Sleep apnea, a condition characterized by interrupted breathing during sleep, poses a significant risk to cardiovascular health, increasing the likelihood of heart disease and stroke. By integrating this detection feature, Apple empowers users to take proactive control of their health, enabling early intervention and potentially life-saving measures. This feature's significance extends beyond mere monitoring, as it provides users with invaluable insights into their sleep health, facilitating informed decisions and timely medical consultations. By harnessing the power of advanced algorithms and sensor technology, the Apple Watch Series 10 redefines the boundaries of smartwatch capabilities, solidifying its position as a leader in the wearable technology market. Despite its impressive array of features, the Apple Watch Series 10 has faced setbacks in its development. Hypertension detection, a highly anticipated feature, has been delayed, leaving users eagerly awaiting its future implementation. This delay may be attributed to various factors, including technical challenges or the need for further refinement. Furthermore, the blood oxygen sensing feature, a valuable tool for monitoring vital signs, has been removed from the Apple Watch Series 10 due to a legal dispute with Masimo, a leading manufacturer of pulse oximetry solutions. This removal may impact users who rely on this feature for health monitoring, highlighting the complexities of integrating innovative technologies into wearable devices. These setbacks, while disappointing, do not diminish the Apple Watch Series 10's overall value, but rather underscore the challenges inherent in pioneering cutting-edge smartwatch technology. Rumors abound regarding a sleek new design for the Apple Watch Series 10, featuring larger sizes and a slimmer profile, poised to revolutionize the wearable technology landscape. Additionally, whispers of an Apple Watch Ultra and an updated Apple Watch SE hint at an expanded product lineup, catering to diverse user preferences. Although some may lament the delayed hypertension detection and removed blood oxygen sensing feature, the Apple Watch Series 10 still stands as a substantial upgrade over its predecessors. Enhanced features, such as sleep apnea detection, solidify its position as a leader in smartwatch innovation. The potential new design and expanded lineup will likely captivate both loyal Apple enthusiasts and newcomers, underscoring the company's commitment to pushing boundaries in wearable technology. As the Apple Watch Series 10 continues to evolve, users can expect a device that seamlessly blends style, functionality, and cutting-edge health features. The Apple Watch Series 10 emerges as a premier choice for individuals prioritizing health monitoring, boasting cutting-edge features like sleep apnea detection. This innovative technology empowers users to proactively manage their well-being, identifying potential health risks and facilitating timely interventions. Although the series faced setbacks, including delayed and removed features, the Apple Watch Series 10 remains a significant leap forward in smartwatch technology. By integrating advanced health features, Apple reinforces its dominance in the market, catering to the growing demand for wearable devices that seamlessly merge style, functionality, and health tracking capabilities. As a comprehensive health companion, the Apple Watch Series 10 sets a new standard for smartwatches, redefining the boundaries of wearable technology and cementing Apple's position as a pioneer in the industry. Its robust health features and user-centric design make it an indispensable accessory for those seeking to take control of their health and wellness.